So we remove the pen. This is the old transmission. We remove the pen, as you can see. The pen has been removed, and then after that we remove the Mectronic, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 volt. So this bolt here, they look sort of flat, where this one here is a bit rounded. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 volt. And after that we get a swap over this control unit here, which is the one that is originally fitted to the car, and hopefully this is going to fix the issue.